The next section, Propose Keywords, can help you work on competitors. It shows the keywords you don't use for indexing but your competitors do. To start, you need to add competitors. Checkaso offers up to 20 semantically close competitors, but you can use the search bar to search for specific apps anytime. Once the apps have been selected, click Add. Next, a list of keywords will be generated. To add them, just click plus, then scroll down the page and click Save. You may want to choose competitor apps of a single category, because a common keyword meta tag is generated based on all apps you add. If you add apps from irrelevant categories, the search results by keywords might not be suitable for your app. And do remember that you can always filter keywords by their search volume. You can also use a search bar to find a specific keyword, and you can also switch this tag to show already added keywords or not.